Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
What does it mean? What do you want to? What do you
षड्यंत्र
different times need different adaptations.
जैसे मैंने बोला भरसड़ है, मैनिपुलेशन है, विक्रांत ने खांसना शुरू कर दिया.
बिकॉज आप देखो ना, हर शादी में आप जाते हो, आपको पता है क्या होने वाला है.
You're misleading my show. Not allowed.
क्यों? मैं तो पैसे चार्ज करूंगी इससे.
संजय दत्त का बता. इंटेंट ये नहीं किसी को बेवकूफ बना के भाग लो यहाँ से.
Introduction began with that the way we broke the ice on a very positive note, and what you guys are giving us is full of entertainment, भरपूर मस्ती. भसड़ यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा है और बहुत ज्यादा मैनिपुलेशंस है. भाई आप तीनों बताएं मुझे ये चल क्या रहा है. वेलकम टू लेटेस्टली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल.
Thank you, Prathamesh. Thank you.
थैंक यू बस.
Sorry.
Yeah, go right ahead. Vikrant, you can start perhaps.
पास रहा है यार.
क्या
तो
चल रहा है डायरेक्टर
शादी-
साहब?
जैसे मैंने बोला भरसड़ है, मैनिपुलेशन है, विक्रांत ने खांसना शुरू कर दिया.
हाँ वही तो.
Sorry guys, sorry. I'll just sip water.
यही कर रहा है, ये मैनिपुलेट ही कर रहा है अभी.
अरे यार.
मिसलीड.
अरे shit, समझ
You're
गया तुम?
misleading my show. Not allowed.
ओके
Sorry.
अर्नब.
Yeah. He said, okay, Arnab. The nation does not
No
want to
like
know. I want to know. Z5 fans want to know. The audience want to know what this bhassad is all about. Who is the biggest bhassad of all? And what these manipulations are. Are they working in your favor? They're not working in your favor?
देखिए, इसमें आधे से ज्यादा सवालों के जवाब तो फिल्म देख के पता चलेगा.
Correct.
हाँ, हमने अपने जिंदगी के 2-2.5 साल दिए हैं ये सब क्रैक करने को. We want you to give only 2 hours.
Yeah, 2 घंटा 5
2
मिनट.
घंटा 5 मिनट इन्वेस्ट कीजिए, आपको सब पता चल जाएगा. बट जैसे शादी जो होती है वो ग्रहों का खेल होता है ना, राहु केतु कुंडलियां, तो ये ऐसा ही कुछ है. इसमें राहु भी है, केतु भी है, इसमें कुंडलियां मिल रही हैं इनकी 2-2 बार. कौन सी नकली कौन सी असली है,
Right.
बहुत गोलमाल भी है, बहुत कुछ चुपके भी हो रहा है. और 7 गाने हैं और बारात भी है, स्वागत गान भी है और प्लानिंग सॉन्ग भी है. तो हर तरह की चीज, सॉन्ग, डांस, ड्रामा, कॉमेडी, कैरेक्टर्स, फैमिली. बट इन सब के साथ ये करने की कोशिश है कि द स्पिरिट ऑफ द फिल्म 14 फेरे इज अबाउट दीज 2 लवर्स हु वांट टू स्टे यूनाइटेड विद ईच अदर, विद देयर फैमिलीज, सो दैट सब खुश रहें. इंटेंट ये नहीं किसी को बेवकूफ बना के भाग लो यहाँ से. इंटेंट है किसी को बेवकूफ नहीं बनाना,
Yes.
सबके साथ रहो. अभी वो नहीं समझेंगे बट वो मान लेंगे, बिकॉज जो किया जा रहा है इनके लिए किया जा रहा है. एंड फैमिली इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट.
Just a couple of minutes ago, the leading lady of your film was drumming a finger. That
But
she
he
wants to
wasn't
convey
stopping
something.
only.
Yeah, I'm not
मैं
stopping you.
थक
Go
गई.
right ahead. What does it mean? What do you want to? What do you want to do?
षड्यंत्र.
षadyantra.
षड्यंत्र.
Yes.
Everything is.
I want to get to this particular thing. I mean, in this day and age, when we see so many complications in relationships, individuality gets complicated, sexuality gets complicated. This is a film which is very core, desi, and very old school, which is quite refreshing in a sense. Please take it as a compliment. So, revisiting this genre, this shadi, this barat, and the hurdles that get posed from the family was so 90s, but now you guys are bringing it back into 2020. That is fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And I think as audiences or as Indian cinema viewers, family dramas or emotional dramas, or especially films or stories set against a wedding backdrop, they are a staple diet. They've always been our staple diet.
Absolutely.
We have one of the most promising filmmakers here who has been inspired by that kind of cinema, which is Suraj Barjatya cinema.
Yes.
And so, films against, family values or, against these backdrops is what I mean. That we've always been a part of our staple consumption.
True.
And that can never go out of fashion. Yes, different times need different adaptations, or one has to adapt to newer times, update themselves, which is a constant ongoing process. वो subconsciously चल रहा होता है, but then the core and the essence remains the same. And here we are with a film which is, as I said, set against these very important tenets, which have been a part of our staple consumption, but with a twist.
With a twist.
With a twist. And which I think so far, at the cost of sounding pompous, I would say we've made a good film. We are very confident of the film. and we just cannot wait for the film to come out and to share it with the audiences, because there is an inherent resonance in the story, in the world, that Manoj Kalwani, who's the writer of our film, he's who already laid it bare on the paper for us, and for that to be translated on screen by someone like Devanshu, who actually, as I said, has grown up or aspired to be someone like Suraj Bajatia or Rishikesh Mukherjee, who's consumed their cinema and who's very, very deeply rooted in family values and tradition. So I think एक बहुत अच्छा combination है, and here we are. So we just 2 days away from the film. So let's see.
So let's know from the horse's mouth. Was there any template, as Vikrant kept saying that Suraj Barjatya kind of film, and there was a staple diet, still is a staple diet for most of the Indians. But was there any reference point? Was there any particular body of work that the director himself was influenced by, and now he wants to give his own twist to it, his own, so to speak, a sense to it, and dish out this fresh story?
I would actually say कि the inspiration for this film is life, because आप देखो ना, हर शादी में आप जाते हो, आपको पता है क्या होने वाला है. वो खाने की डिशेस आपको पता है क्या होंगी. चाइनीज काउंटर भी होगा, चाट भी होगा, मेन कोर्स भी होगा, इटालियन भी होगा, संगीत होगा, वरमाला होगी, फेरे होंगे, आपको सब पता होता है. लेकिन जब आप उस शादी में जाते हो, वहां कुछ कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. वही मामा मामी स्टेज पे डांस करेंगे, वही एंगेजमेंट पे लड़का और लड़की रिंग डाल करके स्टेज पे डांस करेगा. बट वो जिस तरीके से होता है ना, कि आपको या तो हंसी आती है, या आपको मजा आता है, या आपको लगता है यार मुझे नहीं करनी चाहिए. तो जितने सारे हाव भाव है, सब आपकी आंखें सामने पनपते हैं. और as people who are from families, from our respective backdrops, हमने ये चीजें देखी हैं. और आप अगर हम आपके कौन कोई ले लो, तो जब वो फिल्म आई थी तो लोग उसको डिसमिस कर रहे थे, ये कह के ये तो शादी का वीडियो है. और उसमें वही था, वही सगाई, वही रस्म, वही विदाई, बट सेट इन अ सर्टेन वे. तो कोशिश वही है कि रियल लाइफ में जो देखा है, जिससे हमारी जनता रिलेट कर सकेगी, उसको दिखाने की कोशिश है. हर एक शादी में इनफ एंड मोर भसड़ होते हैं, मजा होता है, बदमाशी होती है, चटकारे होते हैं. उन सबको उठाओ और अच्छे से छान के रख दो, जो मनोज कलवानी ने कर दिया. So now my job was to get inspired from the best, and when we talk about the best, you can't get better than Rishikesh Mukherjee. जो family, characters, quirks, plots, twists, fun, अपनी family को बेवकूफ बनाना, इन सब में माहिर थे. And as a filmmaker, and then Suraj Badjatya, who would lend an authentic Indian culture का paint बड़े प्यार से लगाते थे. इनकी फिल्मों को देखकर बड़ा हुआ हूँ, so कुछ हद तक इनका आशीर्वाद रहेगा, hopefully, and I hope that the Janta will like it.
Actually, I'm failing to get my next question, but something that is written on Vikrant's shirt, hoodie, prompts this question: essentials. What are the essential qualities or the elements a couple should have, no matter be it a set wedding, that is the one that is the kind of wedding that you're promoted through your film, or love marriage, or with its complications. All those elements apart, what are the basic qualities a couple should have to be able to get along, to be able to make it through? Both of you.
क्यों? मैं तो पैसे चार्ज करूंगी इसके.
संजय दीदी का बता दो.
आप बताइए. मुझसे ज्यादा सुलझी भी है ये, तो ये बता, मुझसे बेहतर बता पाएंगे.
जी.
सुलझा हुआ होना is not always a blessing. Let me just tell you that.
Okay.
I think the most important thing for me in a relationship is to have respect and mutual admiration, very frankly. I think it's very important to be your partner's cheerleader and to put him or her on a pedestal, especially when they need it.
Right.
Not to say कि यार आप उनको reality मत दिखाओ, but I think there's always a way to put things across प्यार से, and वो respect आ जाता है जब वो admiration आ जाती है एक दूसरे के लिए. I think any relationship can last a lifetime, क्योंकि प्यार eventually, मतलब प्यार हमेशा रहता है, लेकिन it's not, the excitement may fizzle out, a lot of things may fizzle out, but when you have that respect and that admiration for one another, and you don't forget the reason that you all started being together in the first place, if that's a concrete reason, then I think you can make it through any hurdle.
You want to add to that? Something with a twist? Something with a twist, perhaps?
Absolutely agree with her. I think respect, understanding why the two of you have gotten together in the first place. That has to वो एक वो retain होना बहुत जरूरी है. Communication is also very key.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, in today's digital age, जहाँ पे everything is so virtual, वो जो एक heart to heart communication होती है, जो एक real communication होती है, वो होना बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है. तो I think these are the few basic tenets यार. और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में?
Yeah, I think people nowadays become too accessible. I think, there was a time when, like, my mom tells me this. I'm sorry, I'm just adding to this. My mom used to tell me this. She's like, पहले option नहीं होता था ये बोलने का कि मैं तुमसे बात नहीं करूंगी, या I need a break, या I want some space. She's like, क्योंकि already इतना space होता था. लैंडलाइंस होती थी, कॉल्स एक्सपेंसिव होते थे, ₹3.5 पर मिनट. मेरी माँ ने मुझे ये बताया है. मुझे एक बार फोन बिल दिया गया था हाथ में कि कैसे भरेंगे. To talk to that boy hours on end. But very frankly, I think today, everything is too available. Not getting along, चलो मैंने इसको block कर दिया. But you can't blame the generation today because it is how it is. It's on us now to keep that romance alive and to not take it for granted.
My last question, Vikrant. I mean, it's really heartening to see that you're sitting in that chair and the backdrop does not flash Netflix. It is ZEE5, which goes to so many countries. For a change, it is ZEE5, of course. So tell me, I mean, this particular platform, which goes to so many countries, with a theme like that, Shadi, Biha, and everything, that the quintessential qualities that Indian and the elements that Indians are known for. So taking this culture, this backdrop, this storytelling, on a world platform, what does it mean to you?
Feels great. I really, and you're the only one who's actually asked me this, and I'm so glad you did. I couldn't have asked for a better partner, to collaborate with for this particular thing. We all know that Zee has been, a stalwart in its own field for years now. One of the largest markets they've acquired today, especially within the country, and especially their overseas market is huge. And Zee ka jaise naam aata hai, to, for me especially, or for my generation, I can't speak on behalf of others, but Zee ka jaise naam aata hai, we talk about tradition, we talk about India, we talk about something homegrown, we talk about family. And this is exactly what our film is about. Our film is about, our culture, our tradition, our own value system, which Zee has been representing for years. And as I said, I couldn't have found a better partner to collaborate with on for this. Really happy. This is actually my first official collaboration with them. Broken but Beautiful aaya tha, but that was not Zee. But this is my first ever collaboration with these guys, and I'm really, really excited about it.
The Try or 14 Fere, thank you so much for joining us. Vikrant, Kriti, and Devanshu, thank you so much for your time and for those lovely
answers. Thank you so much, Ratnesh. Thanks a lot.
Lovely chat.
Same here. Bye-bye. Take care. All the best.
Bye.